Good morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Last week, we have received a lot of calls from exporters and importers asking why US inflation data is so important to us. So, this I will be covering in the first part of the presentation, and in the second part of the presentation, we'll be covering what is the outlook for USD INR pair for coming week. Let's start with the first part of the presentation, decoding the US inflation data. Last week, US inflation data came at 13 years high. After the inflation data, Dow Jones have fallen by more than 2.5%. XGF Nifty went below 14,600 level. Dollar index went to 90.90 level, and in NDF dollar rupee pair went to 73.70. So whenever US inflation data comes above expectation, market started anticipating or expecting that in order to reduce the inflation, US central bank will take some action which will reduce dollar liquidity from the market. They can reduce the dollar liquidity from the market by taking two actions. Either they can increase the interest rate, or they can stop or reduce the bond buying program. So whenever Fed takes any of this above action, what will happen? Four things will happen. पहला, रिस्कियर एसेट में से पैसा बाहर निकलेगा, मतलब इक्विटी में से पैसा बाहर निकलेगा. सेकेंड, द मनी विल गो टुवर्ड्स सेफ हेवन एसेट्स लाइक गोल्ड. थर्ड थिंग विल हैपन, डॉलर इंडेक्स विल गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर. व्हाई डॉलर इंडेक्स विल गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर? बिकॉज बाय रिड्यूसिंग द सप्लाई ऑफ डॉलर in the economy, they will contain the inflation. So law of supply will be applicable, saying that when the supply is reduced and the demand is constant, that value will go up. Because of that, the dollar index will go up. And whenever dollar index will go up, emerging market currencies will depreciate. Now the question is, ऐसा कभी हिस्ट्री में हुआ है? Yes, it happened in 2013. In 2008, after the subprime crisis, US government has given a lot of stimulus to the economy by reducing the interest rate and doing a lot of bond buying program. So जब 2013 में उन्होंने announced किया खाली कि they will do taper tandem, means they will be increasing the interest rate. Equity market across the globe fallen. Nifty from 6,200 level came down to 5,200 level, and dollar rupee pair moved from 55 to 68 in just 5 months. So the question is, who all have risks with the rising inflation? तीन कैटेगरी के लोगों को इसका रिस्क है. पहला, जो इंपोर्ट करते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली थिन मार्जिन इंपोर्टर्स. सेकेंड, एक्सपोर्टर्स who overbook their currency thinking that they will take advantage of premium. थर्ड, जिन्होंने अपने बुक्स में फॉरेन करेंसी लोन लेके रखे हैं ECB के फॉर्मेट पे. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल माय क्लाइंट्स टू रिव्यू देयर हेजिंग पॉलिसी एंड टेक अप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन बिफोर द फेड अनाउंस अनदर taper tandem. So let us start with the second part of the presentation, which is what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair for coming week. Before coming to the conclusion, let us analyze few factors. On the positive side, we have inflows. Inflows are coming in the form of IPO, QIP and MSCI rebalancing. Few inflows have already come in last 15 days, and few inflow will be coming in next 15 days. In the negative side, we have lockdown. In India, most part of the country is in lockdown. Second, vaccination shortage. ये दो फैक्टर के कारण GDP growth data will suffer. And the third important factor is trade deficit data. Last month, trade deficit was at 13 billion. This month, trade deficit data came at 15 billion. So, which is very clear that trade deficit is increasing. Now, what is the RBI stance? In last entire week, we have understood from RBI buying pattern that RBI has been continuously buying between 73.30 and 73.40 levels. So इससे ये समझ में आ रहा है कि जो बेस है for dollar rupee pair will be close to 73 to 73.30 in coming days, and the dollar rupee pair can move towards 7380 to 74 levels in coming weeks. This was the overall outlook for the pair. I request all my clients to talk with the respective advisor so that they can guide you with your position. This is all from my side. Take very good care of yourself. जय हिंद, नमस्कार, फिर मिलेंगे.